Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the trailing arm mount slider kit from Tusk. Alright, so today we want to give you a closer look at this trailing arm mount slider kit coming from Tusk. So for us, this is an awesome must-have protection accessory for the bottom of your machine. So for the XP and the XP4 1000, well, the trailing arm mount actually sits a little bit lower than the frame, and because of that, typically it's going to be the first point of contact that you have when you're riding that real aggressive terrain. So for us, for example, at Rocky Mountain, we do a lot of rock crawling. So we have to have our machines protected as much as possible on the bottom, and that's why we always have these installed. So what they're made of is UHMW. It stands for ultra high molecular weight. So it's an incredibly hard, durable material, but what's great about it is it has a low friction coefficient. So when you are in that real aggressive terrain, if you were to hit this on something, well, rather than getting snagged or caught up, it just glides right over it. So it's an awesome material to use for protection on the bottom. Now, a couple of things you want to keep in mind with these is that when it comes to install, okay, if you have your stock skid plate on your machine now, it will require you to modify that to get these on. However, we did design these to work in conjunction with our Tusk Quiet-Glide skid plate, which is also made from that same UHMW material. So if you want to run two at the same time, that's going to give you the best fitment options. Also with these, just keep in mind too, you are going to have to do a little bit of drilling to get these on, but the drill bit that you're going to need is going to come included. And if you're running another skid plate other than our Tusk Quiet-Glide or the stock skid plate, you might have to modify those as well. But overall, awesome piece of protection for your side-by-side for the XP4 1000. If you guys have any questions about these, comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get those answered for you. And to pick yours up, it's really simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. You just got to enter the make, the model, and the year of your UTV on our parts finder, and you just scroll down, you're going to see these, and you're going to be good to go. Orders over $75, ship free. Remember guys, if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, we have a lot of great UTV builds, a lot of great spotlights on UTV parts. Well, make sure to click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.